Managing passwords can feel like a chore, but keeping them organized is key to staying secure online. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage your saved passwords in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. Start by opening Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click on it to reveal a list of options, then select Settings. This is your hub for customizing and managing everything in the browser, including your passwords. Next, look at the sidebar on the left and click Profiles. This section covers all your browsing profile information, from basic details to saved credentials. Scroll down until you find the password section and click on it. Here, you'll see a full list of websites where Issue Edge has saved your login information. To view details for a specific site, simply click on it. You'll see the username and a hidden password. If you need to reveal the password, click the small eye icon. For security, you'll need to enter your Windows PIN or password. This ensures only you can access this sensitive information. If a password has changed or needs updating, click Edit to modify the details. Want to clean up old logins? Click Delete to remove any saved password you no longer need. And that's it. By regularly checking, editing, and managing your saved passwords, you can stay organized and protect your online accounts effortlessly. Keep your credentials up to date, and your digital life will be that much safer. Happy browsing, and stay secure online.